Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about partial differentiation. The differential calculus is a very effective tool in engineering and technology. The problems in heat transfer, wave equation, multiple integrals, maxima, minima, dynamics, economics, electricity, statistics and probability, etc. deals with the function of two or more independent variables. In this chapter we will see partial derivatives of function of several variables, Euler's theorem for homogeneous function, total derivatives, change of variables. To understand the partial differentiation, let us first understand the function of several variables. Consider a cylindrical drum. We know that the volume of cylinder V equal to pi r square h, where r is radius of cylinder and h is height of cylinder. We know that the volume of cylinder is depend on radius and height. If we changing radius of cylinder, there is no change in height of cylinder. Similarly, if we changing height of cylinder, there is no change in radius of cylinder. Therefore, r and h are independent variables. Such an equation which contain more than one independent variables is known as function of several variables. Therefore, V is an example of several variables. Let us see the next example. Consider any rectangular surface. We know that area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. We know that the area of rectangle is depend on its length and breadth. If we want to find area of rectangle with respect to length, it is represented as partial derivative equal to dou A upon dou L. Thus, a partial derivative of a function of several variables is the ordinary derivative of the function with respect to one of the variables, keeping remaining all variables as a constant. It is represented as partial derivative equal to dou of function upon dou of independent variable. To understand partial derivative is more clearly, consider u equal to f of x, y, z be a function of three independent variables x, y and z. The partial derivative of u with respect to x keeping y and z are constant is denoted by dou u upon dou x or dou f upon dou x or ux or fx. The partial derivative of u with respect to y keeping x and z are constant, and the partial derivative of u with respect to z keeping x and y are constant. This derivative is known as first order derivative. Let us see higher order derivatives. Let u equal to f of x, y, z be a function of three independent variables x, y and z. Then first we have to find dou square u upon dou x square. Differentiate partially u with respect to x, then we get dou u upon dou x. Again differentiate with respect to x, then we will get dou square u upon dou x square equal to u xx equal to dou square f upon dou x square equal to f xx. Similarly, we can find dou square u upon dou y square and dou square u upon dou z square, which is known as second order derivative. Next is we have to find dou square u upon dou x dou y. First differentiate u partially with respect to y. Again differentiate with respect to x, then we get dou square u upon dou x dou y. which is known as mixed derivative. Similarly, we can find dou square u upon dou y dou x and dou cube u upon dou x dou y dou z and so on. Let us see the example. If u equal to x cube y minus x square plus sin x, find dou u upon dou x and dou u upon dou y. First given u equal to x cube y minus x square plus sin x, and we have to find dou u upon dou x and dou u upon dou y, means partial derivative of u with respect to x and y. First we have to find dou u upon dou x. Differentiating partially with respect to x, dou u upon dou x equal to dou by dou x of x cube y minus x square plus sin x with respect to x, keeping y as a constant. In first term, y constant, derivative of x cube 3x square minus derivative of x square 2x plus derivative of sin x cos x. Then we get dou u upon dou x equal to 3x square y minus 2x plus cos x. Similarly, we can find dou u upon dou y. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Therefore, dou u upon dou y equal to dou by dou y of x cube y minus x square plus sin x. With respect to y, keeping x as a constant. In first term, x cube constant, derivative of y 1. In second term, x square constant, derivative of constant 0. Plus, in third term, derivative of sin x 0. Therefore, dou u upon dou y equal to x cube minus 0 plus 0. Therefore, dou u upon dou y equal to x cube.